There's a new Phantom, right? Oops. These actually are kind of dope, man. There's something satisfying about the Phantom sound, though. Is that the default one? No, there's gonna be part of the stream later on that's a little different. Well, the stream's gonna look a little different. Risk Finger, thank you for the tier 1. Default sound? I kind of like it, though. It sounds like suppressed. Is that just how it is? The same sound? Maybe I just haven't used the default sound in so long. Wait, that camo's sick, dude. It's like you're playing Call of Duty. Wait, I'm actually gonna use that, dude. Like modern warfare type beat. Sound suppressed because what other skins are there? There's a knife I know. Oh, you can get it. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I'm copping this pack. And please don't talk. What up, Ultimate Kongster? Ooh, the red one for sure. Oh my god. That is sick, dude. I feel like everyone is going to use this. I'm not going to use that at the tournament, though. For sure. Because it'll be too distracting. That is so sick. Like, I'm going to be using it in ranked, but I'm not going to use it in Berlin. Like this. I'm not going to use it in Berlin because I know it'll be too distracting. Ooh, the laser dot. No way, thanks for the prime. You know I'm gonna use the jet knife. What up, Supper Lawman? Thank you, thank you. Tim Fisher type beat. Guys, oh. There's not much of an animation though. Like when he killed him. There's a Spectre? Dude, it's like you're playing a different game. I actually like it. I like that there's not too much, you know? I like that it's simple. I think these come out tomorrow. I actually think that's dope. I don't know how much the bundle costs. Oh my god, how much is that in US? Sheesh. What? That's the color for Sentinels? Wait, you're right actually. Should I use this? I feel like I should use the fan. I don't know, but the Ruination Phantoms and I'm running a DM, dude. I need to see how I feel. I was thinking of switching back to the Oni too. Should I run the DM right now with the Oni or the Ruination? I need to do this too. Oni, everyone's saying Oni. Oh my god. Okay.